今日揀一隻英文歌咧，相信大家都記得㗎啦，即係一首好舊嘅、好出名嘅英文歌，叫做《Rhythm of the Rain》。Listen to the rhythm of the falling rain, telling me just what a fool I've been. I wish that it would go and let me cry in vain, and let me be alone again. The only girl I cared about has gone away, looking for a brand new start. But little does she know that when she left that day, along with her she took my heart. Rain, please tell me now that that seems fair, for her to steal my heart away when she don't care. I can't love another when my heart's somewhere far away. The only girl I care about has gone away, looking for a brand new start. But little does she know that when she left that day, along with her she took my heart. Please ask the sun to set her heart aglow. Rain in the heart and let the love we know start to grow. Listen to the rhythm of the falling rain, telling me just what a fool I've been. I wish that it would go and let me cry in vain, and let me be alone again. Listen for the falling rain. Peter Peter, Peter Peter, whoa, whoa, listen, listen to the falling rain. Oh, thank you.